I started Speedflate back in 2020, and you guys have been asking for a few things, and it's about time I delivered. Introducing the Speedflate basic systems. So as you guys can see here, the first thing we did was add more colors that you guys have been asking for. We got orange, red, green, and black. On top of that, all of these systems have built-in dust covers on each air chuck. They have a 300 PSI rating all the way around, and all of these systems are the most affordable that we've ever released at $159.99, and we were able to bring the price down by changing around some of the components without sacrificing any of the quality. These function exactly the same as all of our other Speedflate systems, but now you guys can have a little bit more personality and you guys can match more colors to your rig. You guys can see for these systems, we have an all new carrying bag, fits the system really nicely. Also, these will fit up to 145-inch wheelbase. So that means just like all of our other straight hose systems, so your double cab Tacomas, your Jeep Gladiators, those longer vehicles, these are going to work. And they also work on the shorter vehicles like the Wranglers, the JK, the JL, even small stuff like Suzuki Samurai. These systems have you covered. So as you guys can see, this is what the system looks like when it's hooked up to the truck. It works and functions exactly like all of our other systems that we've been selling for the past 4 years. Speaking of 4 years, I wanted to give a huge shout out and thank you to all the Speedflate customers who have supported us over these last 4 years. If you're not familiar, I just went full-time. I quit my 9 to 5 and we're doing Speedflate full-time. So thank you to you guys. Couldn't have done it without you. We're so excited to launch the new basic system. We have another system that we're going to be launching shortly as well. So if you guys are interested, there will be links down in the description where you guys can check out Speedflate and all the other cool stuff that we have going on. Thank you again for all the support. As a very small family-owned business, just me and my wife doing this, we really appreciate your guys' support. The last 4 years have been amazing. I'm so excited. Here's to the next 4.